Okay, morning. We're with Brian Birk from Sun Mountain Capital.
Hi, good morning.
Morning. Brian, welcome to Mexico and welcome to this forum in Nacional Financiera. And we invite you to ask some special things. The first one is, as a foreign fund, you think that Mexico is a good place, is a good country in where you can find deals to invest?
We've been very, very impressed with the deals that we've seen in Mexico. We think the quality of the entrepreneurs, the business plans that they have, and just the opportunity set is very, very promising. Okay. So, absolutely, there are terrific deals here.
Okay, and how important is for a fund like you to have a partner in a different country, to open new markets or something like that?
For us, having the right partner in a market that we are not familiar with ourselves is absolutely essential. We think that by being a part of the ecosystem, having a presence, the network that a right partner brings is critical to success. Okay. And so we always partner with local teams because we bring expertise, best practices from the United States, and some technical expertise and domain expertise. Yeah. But we can't bring the network.
Yeah. Okay.
We can't bring the deal flow, and that's what we really rely on our local partners to do.
Okay. Yeah.
We really look at three things that I think all entrepreneurs, especially when they're out raising capital, have to understand that investors always look for in a deal. Okay. Right? The first thing that all investors look for is the experience of the management team. Okay. And specifically, if you have already a small successful business and can prove that business model, even on a small scale, then take that and grow it. Okay. And use capital to get it larger and a bigger opportunity. I think the second thing is a strong business plan that talks about how at the end of 3 or 4 or 5 years an investor can expect to get their capital back. Okay. Right? So in other words, the exit plan. And then the final thing I would say is in Mexico you have some very good investment funds and a number of sources for capital, but it's less obvious and takes a little more work to find those than it does in the U.S. Okay. And in my recommendation, my suggestion would be to think about all the sources of financing available. Think about family offices. Okay. Think about your friends. Think about suppliers. Think about venture capital funds. There are many, many sources of capital. It doesn't have to be venture capital because there are so many different opportunities. Not all of them are venture capital opportunities. Okay. Okay. Well, thank you very much, Brian, for your work, and it was a pleasure to have you here. All right. Thank you. Thank you.